Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Good. So now, first lesson already we have completed. First lesson already we have completed. That is rational numbers we have completed. Rational numbers we have completed. And now the second one, today we are going to start the second one. Second lesson. That is second lesson. Listen to me properly. The second lesson name is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Understood? Okay. So let me write that. Linear equation in one variable. Understood, children? The lesson name is linear equation in one variable. Concentrate. I want every one of you to concentrate because it is very, very important. Very, very important. See, you can't neglect this lesson because the same lessons are going to continue in 9th and 10th. 9th and 10th. The name of the lesson which you learn in 9th is linear equation in two variable. This year, which one you are learning? Write down. This year you are learning linear equation in one variable. Yeah.
I'm not listening.
Yeah, now. Yeah, take down this. Take down linear equation in one variable. Done? Please mute. Please mute. This is from grade 8. We can't neglect. Yeah, the same lesson is going to continue in grade 9. Okay, already linear equation you have learned from grade 6. In grade 6, we introduced algebra. Algebra, do you remember, children? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then in grade 7th, simple equations. In grade 7, the same lesson continued with the name simple equations. Now in grade 8, that same lesson, okay, it's going to continue like the name of the lesson is linear equation in one variable. So in grade 9, see, I'll write the lesson name which you're going to learn in grade 9 because I want you to concentrate on this. You can't neglect this, okay? Be perfect in this. So in grade 9, linear equation. If you have textbook of grade 9, you can check linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Got, children? So in grade 10, pair of linear equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. Understood? Am I clear to you? So in grade 8, linear equation in one variable. In grade 9, see the only one term differs here. Linear equation in two variables. Then in grade 10, pair of linear equation in two variables. These are the lesson names which you are going to learn in grade 8, 9 and 10th. Understood? Understood? Understood, children? You can nod your heads. Okay? So, it's very, very important. Already you have learned the basics of algebra and even you know how to solve the simple equations. Now, what is that linear equation? The word itself says linear. Linear. Now, concentrate. Concentrate. Now, we'll learn I'll teach you the meaning of this lesson first. Linear equation in one variable. Now, do you know the meaning of equation? Yeah? Do you know the meaning of equation? Okay, then one, you know. What is one? Do you know the meaning of variable? Can you give some examples for variable? Few examples for variable. Y, good.
X,
X,
P,
P,
N,
any letter.
Q.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, any alphabet letter.
Any alphabet.
alphabet.
Any alphabet. Yeah, and Ramya has raised her hand. What's your doubt, Ramya? Ramya, she has raised her hand. Okay. Okay. Now you got water variable. Do you know the meaning of equation? Now you know the meaning of one and you know the meaning of variable. Here the new term for you people is linear. In mathematics it's linear. It is new for you people, but when you go to science, already you have learned the types of motions. Have you learned? Linear motion, rectilinear motion, circular motion. What is the meaning of linear motion? Straight, very good. Yeah, very good. Linear motion means, linear motion means straight.
Right line.
Straight. Okay. So in the
Periodic
same way,
motion.
yeah, it's not, linear, it will be in straight. So here in mathematics, linear equation means, I'll give you some equations. I want you to observe those equations and tell me the difference between the first, second, and third equation. So 2x plus 5 equals 10. 2x squared plus 5 equals 10. 2x cubed plus 5 equals 10. So observe these equations. Observe these equations properly. 2x plus 5 equals 10. Next is 2x squared plus 5 equals 10. And 2x cubed plus 5 equals 10. So observe these properly. Observe these properly. Written? Have you written, children? Have you written? Okay, now I'll take down this fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, written?
No, ma'am.
Fast?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, first one is 2x plus 5 equals 10. Second one is 2x square plus 5 equals 10. And third one is 2x cubed plus 5 equals 1. Sorry, 10. Okay, now I'll come back to you. Have you written equations? Now,
Yes,
have you observed? Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Now, tell me what is the difference between, everybody has to mute. Shreya, tell me what is the difference between the first and the second equation? Everyone? Yeah, only Shreya will speak now. Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, it has square root.
Square. X square in second one. Yeah, can you compare with the third one? It is cube. What do we call?
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
It's cube. Yeah. Others, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Atif,
Yes,
check
ma'am.
your connection.
Voice is not
please.
coming.
Yeah, Atif, check your connections. Yeah, now, Shreya, tell me. Shreya, tell me.
Ma'am,
In first,
the second one has a cube,
square.
ma'am, and we can compare it to third one. It has
Cube.
cube.
Second one is square.
Square.
Third one is
Cube.
cube. First one is
Ma'am, 2
X to
square.
the power
2
1. X to the power 1 it is. Okay, good. Everybody got the same answer? So when you compare the equation, when you compare all the three equations, in first it is x to the power 1 or x raised to the power 1 or x to the power 1. In second equation, x to the power 2, and third equation, x to the power 3. Here the meaning of linear is, okay, the equation in which the power of the variable will be 1. Highest power of the variable will be 1. Such equations we call as linear equation. How many variables you can see over there? In all, only one variable. Do we have any other variable like y, z or m? No, only one variable. So the first example, the first equation, okay, first equation is a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Is it an equation? We have equal sign and all other terms with the mathematical operations we have. So now this is an example for linear equation in one variable. Linear equation anta yavag heltivi andre when the highest power of the variable will be 1. When the highest power of the variable will be highest power of the variable will be 1. Got it? Got it? Are you writing that?
Yes,
Click
ma'am.
on that first. Yeah, fast children. These two are not linear equations. They are not linear equations.
Ma'am, why they are not the linear equation?
Because the power of the variable is not 1. Highest power of the variable is not 1. Here the highest power is, what is the highest power of the variable? 2. Here what is the highest power of the variable? 3. So we have different names for these. When you go to higher classes, we call these as
Square.
quadratic, and these are cubic. Okay, these are linear. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood? Quadratic, and so those terms you'll come to know in next next classes, like in 9th and 10th. So here only you learn about the linear equation. So now I'll write some equations. You have to identify whether these equations are linear equations in one variable or not. Even I want you to write the reason. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Shall we start? Shall we start? Nobody is allowed to say the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll ask you people. Only those students will answer. Done? I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
it's, yeah, it's clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, children? Now,
Ma'am.
yeah. Can you change this? Everybody has written? Everybody has written?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now observe. I want you to observe those equations properly and write answer beside that why yes or no. If it is yes, why it is yes. If it is no, why it is no. It's not an equation. Darwin, right? Darwin is not fresh today. Why? You're not in team t-shirt and you're yawning. Even Dhanush, you are not in uniform.
Mama, tomorrow I will wear, ma'am.
Why? Today, Tuesday is not a good day for you to start the new. Tomorrow is good muhurta.
Okay, ma'am.
What? See, Murari,
Tomorrow.
how neatly he has dressed. I'm good. Even Umar Rayan, in boys I'm talking. Except those two others have team t-shirts. Abhijit, Salman, Charan, Meghana, Sangeeta, Preetham, turn on the video. I want to see you people. Even Dalvin, turn on the video. Finished? Take your own time, no problem, children. Take your own time. Atif, done?
Ma'am.
Okay, good. Komal? Komal, done? Zoya? Sharon? Done? Ronak, Preetham, YC. Preetham, YC. I want to see your faces, children.
I'm not hearing the voice.
You are done? Done? Okay, okay. Everybody are nodding heads. Okay. So now, Dhanush, am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, tell me. With the first one.
Ma'am, I can't hear, ma'am.
Just now you said yes.
Ma'am, now, ma'am, what you are saying, I not hearing, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Yashas, tell me whether the first equation is a linear equation in one variable or not. Yashas. Yeah, you can unmute and tell me.
Miss, not
Why?
variable.
Yeah, what's the reason?
Miss, variables are changed and 3m plus 6m.
Yeah, here we can see two variable. This is not a linear equation in one variable. It is a linear equation in two variable. You can see two variables in that. First one. First one, I'm talking about the first one, everyone. Yeah, concentrate. 3m plus 6n equals 4. That is not a linear equation in one variable, because here we have two variables. We can say that it's a linear equation in two variables. It is linear. It is linear. Why? It is linear. What's the reason? Can you tell me what's the reason? It is linear.
It has two variables.
No, it is linear. I'm talking about the word linear. Why it is linear? I can say it is linear equation.
It has the power of 1.
Yeah, very good, very good. The highest power and the equation is 1. So we can say that it's a linear equation.
It is.
Yeah, it's a linear equation, but not in one variable. It's a linear equation in two variables. But we are looking to our linear equation in one variable. Okay, now first one you can say not a linear equation in one variable, because it has two variables that are m and n. Got, children? Shreya, getting? Okay, Abhijit, Charan, Pritam. Okay, children. So now second one, we'll go to second one. 6y square, good ashes. 6y square plus 3y equals 7. 6y square plus 3y equals 7. Is it a linear equation in one variable?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why? What's the reason?
Because it has two variables.
It has two variables.
Variable is one, no?
Ma'am, because
Variable
the
is
highest power
one.
of variable is 2.
What?
Ma'am, highest variable is 2.
Power. What do you have to use?
Power. Yes, ma'am.
The power.
Power
The power.
is 2.
The variable is 2, not 1.
2.
The power of variable is 2.
2.
Power of the variable is 2. So it is not linear. It is not a linear equation. Okay. So third one. Look at the third one.
Yes, ma'am.
3m plus 6.
Linear equation.
No, ma'am.
Linear equation.
Somebody said no.
It a linear equation.
Yeah, somebody is saying no. Who is that? Let me clear the doubt, children. Who is saying no? Third one, that is 3m plus 6 equals 4 is a linear equation. Why?
Yes.
First, you can first,
Because it has only one variable.
and
One variable and power of 1.
very good.
Power of.
Good. Keep it up. So see, we can first check for how to check whether it's a linear equation in one variable or not. Let me explain you. First you check. First you go for the powers. First you check the powers. If the power of the variable is 1, decide, yeah, it is a linear equation. Then you go for the variable, whether we have one variable or two different variables. Like x, y, a, b, k, m, or any other variables. If it is so, then you can say no, it is linear equation, but not in one variable. It is in two variables. Got, children? Got? Okay. Fourth one.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
What's the reason?
No, ma'am.
Because it has two variables. Two variables.
Very good. Yeah, very good. Next, third one.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
ma'am.
No. It has two variables.
Very good. Okay. Next, sixth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Yes, ma'am.
only one variable and highest power of variable 1.
Yes, power of variable.
Okay.
Highest power of variable
I
1.
think now it's clear to you people. Refer the
Yes, ma'am.
textbook. Yeah, refer textbook and write down some more examples for the linear equation in one variable. I want you to write any 10 examples. Okay, 5 for linear equation in one variable and 5 for not linear equation in one variable.
Ma'am, in classwork, ma'am.
No. Let it be in the homework. 5 for yes. They are linear equation in one variable. 5 examples for no, they are not linear equation in one variable. Along with the reason, you need to write. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, children? Done? Any doubt?
ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Again, I'm
No, ma'am.
saying this is lengthy questions are there in the text. In this lesson, you have to refer text and write down the text, questions from text itself. Because I can't write all those questions. Yes? Yeah, shall we enter?
What we have to do if we get linear equation of two variables?
Just you have to write, no, it is not a linear equation in one variable. It is a linear equation, but it's not in one variable.
If it is same variable,
What?
ma'am, if it is same variable,
Yeah, see, like you can write 3m plus 5m. Can you add that? 3m plus 5m. It is 8m.
No, ma'am.
It is in one.
Ma'am.
Yeah, you can add 3m plus 5m. You can add like terms. Like terms can be added. Do you remember in algebraic expressions we used to
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
write and final result?
ma'am.
No, we can't add because they are unlike terms. We can add because they are like terms. We used to write like that. Okay, children? So if they are same, you can add, but the powers to add, the powers must be same. The powers of the variable must be same. Okay? Okay. Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.